Health insurance for J1 visa holders. Health insurance for foreign workers on an H1B visa. Health insurance for dependents on an H4 visa holders. Health insurance for green card holders. Health insurance for K1 visa holders. And last one, that health insurance in USA for Canadian expats. The US has the most expensive healthcare in the world. That is why getting health insurance coverage comes highly recommended. Medicare is the national health insurance program that dates back to 1966. It provides health insurance for US national holders than 65 years old, but also for younger people with the end stage renal diseases, ALS, and some other disabilities. Data shows that in 2018, Medicare provided almost 60 million individuals with healthcare in the US, over 61 million of which were older than 65. The Medicare program is divided into four parts. Part A, which covers hospital, skilled nursing, and hospice services. Part B covers outpatient services including some provider services, while inpatient at a hospital, outpatient hospital charges. Part C is an alternative called managed Medicare, which permits patient to select health plans with at least the same services coverage as Part A and B. Often the benefit of Part D, an annual out-of-pocket spend limit which A and B lack. To sign in this part, one must sign in Part A and B first. Part D covers mostly self-administered prescription drugs. So guys, and the third is Medicaid. Medicaid is a federal and state program that helps people with limited income resources to cover medical costs while covering benefits normally not covered by Medicare as nursing, home care, and personal care services. It is the largest source of funding for medical and health related services for people with low income in the United States. Data shows that the US provided health insurance to 71 millions with low income disabilities, which is 23% of the total of US population. Children's Health Insurance Program, formerly known as the State Children Health Insurance Program SCHIP. This is a program that covers with health insurance children or families with modest income that are not low enough to qualify for Medicaid. So guys, that is our today topic. I hope you understand. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.